Welcome to Sunnyside Certified. This is Tiger, and we're going to address a couple things today. We got this coupler, keeps blowing off, and it's kind of torn and worn out. It's been a good probably 15 years or so. So it's getting old, and we're going to get a replacement with the hump, so it has a bit more flex to it. And also, I've been sticking this hood prop because of this RBC manifold. It kind of gets in the way if you try to lay it down. So I've just been doing that. I did have one DIY hood damper, but it didn't work out too well. I needed two. So I ordered this kit off of Amazon. And it looks promising. Got the brackets, two struts, and actual instructions for this particular vehicle, which is the EP3. So I think it's going to work out well. We'll find out here shortly. So for this coupler, I'm going to reuse these T-bolt clamps. It did come with brand new ones. Ordered this off of Amazon. It's a 2.5 inch diameter, but I'm going to reuse these clamps. All right, after taking this off, you see this starting to break apart. It's kind of soft and flimsy, where this one's a 2-ply, and we're going to a 4-ply. So in the previous videos, when I was reinstalling everything, I loosened up the turbo compressor housing so you could clock the turbo. I think I'm gonna do that again to try to get a more ideal angle. Seems like there's a little too much bend, so I'm gonna do that. All right, so I got 6 bolts loose on the backside of the turbo. You don't want to take it completely off. Just loosen it up. That way you can rotate this how you want it. All right, now we're on to the hood damper, the hood prop. And we got Simon here with us. He's gonna help out. Just trying to figure out, make sure we have the right brackets. Step over a little bit. This one has an R on it, so it should go right here. And looking at the picture, I was trying to decipher where this one goes. I think it goes right here underneath the fender, but it's almost going to raise it up, so I'm kind of curious to see how well this is going to do, because I don't want the fender to be raising up and throws off the alignment. But we'll check it out. we got the brackets mounted up. Sure enough, did raise it up a little bit. And I'm not.
It's not too much. It looks fine.
I would rather have better fitment than that. Maybe we'll figure out another way to do that. So you're saying to release this? Ooh. Get the magnets on.
I'll grab this.
So we got one side on, and look like it's holding up with one side. We're gonna test fit it. See if it'll shut. Yeah, I don't know.
As planned as I was.
Not sure if I like that gap right there. It's not real noticeable, but it's there.
Yeah, it's sticking up a little too.
Yeah. I think there should have been a better way for that, but let's see.
That's just the way it is.
All right, I think I'm gonna modify this a little bit and take this back off. So instead of being sandwiched in between the fender and the bracket,
Be on top.
we're gonna put it on top and some washers to space it out so it doesn't, you got this lip on that fender.
Yeah, that was what I was thinking at first. Put that on the top instead of sandwiching it in the middle.
Yeah.
We can keep this on. We're just moving it. That's better.
All right. Yeah, so we put it on top. It looks a whole lot better.
It looks
instead of
like
flaring out this, pretty much lifting up this fender. I still think I need to modify it a little bit more, but this should work for now. So there's another slot here, and there's a opening in the fender where I could put another bolt through here and stabilize that so it doesn't rotate. But should be okay for now. And we'll see when we put on the other side. Is it like that? Okay. All right, Simon, you want to try it out? Come to about a foot off of it, and then just release it right here. What do you think?
It's fine. Looks good.
Looks better than going in between the fender, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe, like I said, I may need to modify that a little bit. But go ahead, pop open the hood. Test it out.
Huh?
Go ahead, lift it up, test it out. Should go up by itself. So.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have to push it to a certain point.
Yeah.
What do you think? That wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Not too
I'm
bad.
gonna try to line this up. Like I said, I'll probably have to get another bolt to stabilize that. That way it's not shifting around, scratching up the paint and everything. But overall, I'm happy with it. I think it's like $40.
Not bad.
And that's it. like and subscribe.